Ready to fuel up and save some cash? Let's unlock the secrets of using your Sam's Club gift card at the pump for maximum savings. First things first, grab your Sam's Club gift card. Make sure it has a balance. You can check this online at a Sam's Club kiosk or by calling the number on the back of the card now. It's important to remember that Sam's Club gas stations are exclusive to Sam's Club members, so you will need to have an active membership to make a purchase even if you are using your gift card to pay. Alright, you've pulled up to the pump now. Insert your Sam's Club gift card into the card reader. Follow the prompts on the screen. The screen will present you with payment options. Select gift card. It will then ask if you want to use the full balance on the gift card or a specific amount. Choose your preference. After selecting your payment, choose your fuel grade and start pumping gas as usual. Once you're done, replace the nozzle. The screen will display the final transaction amount. You can then print a receipt for your records if there's any remaining balance on your gift card. It's still there to use on your next visit. And that's it. You've successfully used your Sam's Club gift card to save money on gas. Happy fueling, and be sure to subscribe for more money saving tips.